Well, good afternoon. Back out in the old shop slash shed. Thursday afternoon. It's a bit colder outside today. It's below freezing, definitely. Let's see what the weather forecast says. Come on. Computer's in deep sleep. There we go. Woke up. This is our local news. Yeah, 0 degrees, right at freezing, so that's not too bad. Just checked the temperature on one of my many thermometers here in the shop, and it's about 38 degrees. I've got my little electric heater on. It's like a 2000 watt electric heater. I've got another one down that corner as well. It's kind of buried by all that junk right now. But just this one, it heats things up eventually. Let that run for about half an hour or so. It'll be up to 40 some degrees in here. Close to 50, which is fine. So, just been trying to get caught up on some of the backlog here. I was taking some computers apart yesterday. This one for Scrapping Irish here. This is a PCI Express. 450 megabytes per second dual band. Looks like gold all over this card. I guess it's a network card. So even these little coax connectors appear to be gold plated. So the reason I am out here now is I picked up a couple of these Motorola routers. Not sure what they actually did. Actually, I think these are... I had to guess, I'd say these are point of sale, something to do with point of sale. Console, power over Ethernet. Not sure. Look at that one. Same thing with this one. Console, power over Ethernet. Don't know. But let's open them up and see what we have. As I'll tackle this one first. So it's got these crazy little security bits. Just gotta find my bit set here. Okay, need that. These are kind of a star-shaped. I think it's this one. Nope. The smallest one, perhaps. Yes. Okay. Whoa. This is my bigger one. Where's the other one? Oh well. This one will work. Screw keeps sticking to the bit. So, as I mentioned, it's Thursday afternoon already. Had time off during the week this week, and of course, lots of things I was hoping to get done, which very few of them have gotten done so far, but that's always par for the course. But it has been awfully cold out. So I didn't really feel like spending much time warming the shed up. But it was about minus 25 F out. Okay, so there's some action. I don't know what these doodads are here. It's a coax connector. And we've got some more on this side. Copper heatsink for one of those motherboards. One more. Okay, so Motorola Incorporated, Holtsville, New York. These pretty little doodads are probably stainless. Yeah, they are. But they really don't add up to a lot of weight. Okay, so now we got some more of these goofy things. Okay, just going to check the camera. Camera appears to be operating fine. Do-do-do. Yeah. Appear to be missing something, but there we go. Ooh, look at that. A little bit of copper. Copper foil. But hey, it's copper, right? Oh yeah. Look at that. That will go in the #1 copper bucket. So there is the board, unless there's one underneath it. Don't look like it. Well, Look at this. Looks like gold everywhere. Next size up, perhaps. Perhaps not. Huh. Why not? Bear with me, just looking. Channel locks, I know they're here. Oh, well, these linesman pliers these will work just fine. Had these pliers since about 1974, I think. When I was a low-paid apprentice back in 1974. Barely afford a pair of pliers. I think actually I got these used from somebody. So, 1974, what is that? That's, yeah, it's only 48 years. See, I was hoping these things would be brass. I was doing those computers yesterday. I got a bunch of them that were brass. I believe I don't have a nut driver that fits these, but they were probably metric. Probably metric devils. Those might be stainless too. There they are. This is obviously a well-made piece of equipment, judging by the components. Just can't make that nut driver fit. No matter how hard I try. Maybe I should put that on my Christmas list for next year. Metric nut drivers. Okay, so oh yeah, so it appears you can put some kind of an expansion card in there too. Look at all that gold. Okay, so what's holding you in still? What? So I'm guessing that these guys are probably soldered to the back of that board. No, they're not really. Let's take them off anyways. Of course, that one I can't get at. Get off. Still in there pretty good. What is holding you? Friction, that's what's holding you. And these things need to come off. Now, do I have a nut driver for these? Yes. Much better with a nut driver. Of course, the nut, there we go. The nut got stuck in the nut driver. Oh yeah, we're looking good now, boys. One wire there is causing us grief. Not for long. Alrighty. This piece of extruded aluminum. Clean that up later. It's my little junk wire bin. So, what kind of a board do we have here? Well, I have no idea. But there's a gold corner board, I think. And these little expansion sockets here. How do those come out of there? Oh yeah. Look at those babies. Scrapping Irish, look at all that gold. There's gold everywhere. Curious what's under this thing. Nothing too exciting, but interesting. Okay, you circuit board experts, tell me if this is something good or not. Like I say, all the flashing appears to be gold. Even these little connectors are gold. Interesting. Let me know in the comments what you think. on that one. So then, like I say, this is a bit of extruded aluminum. So this guy's got those same screws in it. That must be a Motorola thing. Okay, what's holding you? If you see a screw, take it out. Come on. Why are you not coming out? Oh. Because there's more screws, that's why. Makes sense, right? Yeah, these little black screws, these guys are hard to see. It's looking better already. Motorola. Alrighty. I'm seeing some gold in this one too. Not quite as much as the other one, but just kills me we have no place up here in Canada to sell these boards. Alrighty. Those look kind of interesting. Again, circuit board experts chime in, but these look very interesting here. What's that? Little slot. What's underneath these, I wonder? Transformer. Yeah, this has got an expansion port too. Let's see. how are these held in? Oh yeah. So it's actually got a CPU of some sort. I can't quite make it out. So it appears to have that gold corner on it, which I'm led to believe is a good thing. And another processor or something, but again, it's got the gold corner on it. Interesting. Okay, so that'll just go on the pile. Like I say, would appreciate any comments on these boards, what you guys think of them. Strictly out of curiosity, because I have no place to sell them currently. Let me know what you think in the comments. Stay. Should be aluminum. Yep. Just got a little bucket going of aluminum heat sinks. And I'll clean this up a little later. Little tiny fan motor, but not even going to bother. So thanks for watching. Let me know on those boards, you knowledgeable board guys, and I will see you all another time. That's all for now.